It's time for a quick update of your Friday evening's weather conditions, and on our satellite loop we see that it's been a clear day so far, particularly for the interior, but along the south coast moisture's been moving in off of the ocean. That's resulted in a cloudy day across the area and also some light rain in places. A low pressure system has developed over southern Mozambique, and along with that a few showers have formed, and some of those showers are now drifting into the low felt areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Now it remains clear overnight over the central parts of South Africa, including into Gauteng. Along the south coast, another cloudy and cool evening with some light rain continuing in places, and we are still expecting a few of those showers to drift into the low felt areas. Now for tomorrow, further showers expected, especially for the first half of the day for parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. A sunny Saturday over the central interior of the country, but further rainfalls expected along parts of the Western Cape coastline. Across the west coast of South Africa, on the other hand, another windy day expected for much of that region. Taking a look now at your rainfall for tonight, there's still up to a 20% chance of showers for the low felt areas, including Phalaborwa and Skukuza. Along the south coast, we're expecting light rain to continue into tonight, and we may even see a few drops of rain along the wild coast of the Eastern Cape and towards Durban in KwaZulu-Natal. A closer look at Cape Town now. It's going to be a partly cloudy and windy evening, wind speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. It's going to be mild overnight with a minimum of 14 degrees. And tomorrow will be partly cloudy and cool at 17 with a chance of light rain, and it remains windy once again. Now taking a look at winds for the rest of South Africa, the next 24 hours will see very light winds over the far northern parts of South Africa. Those southeasterly winds are going to be fresh to strong overnight and into Saturday across much of the west coast, and it becomes fairly windy as well along the southern coastline as we're expecting wind to continue pushing in off of the ocean, bringing further wet weather across much of that region. Moving ahead now to minimum temperatures over the rest of South Africa. It's going to be mild across the country, just below 10 degrees for most of the Free State, but it's going to be warm along the eastern coastline as well as into the Lowveld with minimums above 15 degrees. And tomorrow afternoon is going to be hot for the large majority of South Africa, 33 degrees for Dar, 35 for Uppington, and temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s in Gauteng, but cooler over the Western Cape with the cloudy weather in that region as well as that chance of rainfall. Now on Sunday, the wet weather is going to spread up the east coast of South Africa, including Richards Bay, sunny and hot into Gauteng, where Pretoria gets to 33, and by Monday, thunder showers extend onto the Highveld and sunshine returns to Cape Town at 22.
News that moves. eNCA.com